Okay, so for the luminosity, we have this formula. Okay, this one. Okay, you want to challenge yourself? Okay, can you do this? Okay, so you can figure out how to do this, and this is our formula. Okay, so same thing, same thing. Okay, right click, create shaded graph, URP, lead shaded graph, and we call it as a grayscale luminosity. Okay, luminosity. Now double click this one, luminosity, take it out, keep bigger size. Okay, so now we same thing, we have our sample textures as well. Okay, we have our sample texture, which is an image. Okay, so now we need to do calculations, right? So the R we need to time with the 0.21, this one 0.21 R. So we need to have a multiply. Okay, R multiply by how much? 0.21. So you get this one, no? Okay, continue. Okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, so we delete the connection, delete. Okay, the G plug here, the B is plug here. Okay, so we check the value 0.72, 0.07, 0.72, 0.07. So, and after that, we need to have a summation plus plus, correct or not? So, you can close it to make it smaller a bit because annoying, okay. You can arrange them. Okay, now we need to sum them. Okay, so we need to use add. So we need to have two add. Okay, because we have three values, so we need to add. So the result for this one, okay, plus, okay, then we have this plus this one, okay, and then we connect to this. So this is our outcome, okay, for our luminosity. Okay, you can make it nicely, you drag a bit, okay, make it this one maybe like this, okay, look more comfortable. Okay, you can highlight them. Okay, group selection, and we call it as a luminosity. Okay, same thing, right click, create node. Okay, the input here, input textures. Okay, the texture 2D set here, you plug to here, right click, convert to property. Okay, save everything. Go your Unity. Okay, now which one is this one? Is luminosity. Right click, create. Okay, so material, so luminosity. So you put an image here, put it this. Okay, drag and drop to here. Okay, if you not right click from your shader graph, for example, you directly create your material here, right? Okay, you want to search add in your shader graph here, you go to shader here. Okay, shader graph, this one, it will be allocated in here. If you right click a material, empty material, you need to choose the shader graph here, and this one, the one you already created. So you can see we can choose this one, and we put the image here. Okay, now we also have this. Okay.